how much money approximately did it take to bring the X39 to market, and how many years, and maybe your mindset behind that? Tell us a little bit about that process.
Yeah, so that's a fantastic question. So in the late 2000s, I was thinking about what would be coming next. So one of the things that's really important, and actually I'm going to be talking about this in Aruba, is what does the future look like for LifeWave? So we have a very exclusive group that'll be there, and I want to open up the door a little bit and talk about that. But I generally try to think about 5, 10, 20 years in advance of where technology is going, so we can anticipate what's the future going to look like and how are we going to be a part of it. So if technology is heading in a specific direction, then you have time to really plan and be part of some big trends. So the thing that was standing out to me was, at the time, we had Energy Enhancer, IceWave, Silent Nights, we had our YH products. And so we were in the business of anti-aging and lifestyle. But I wanted to take the company into a new generation and have that be regenerative science. And stem cells, it was very clear this was going to be the future. So looking back, from 2008, it was very clear that stem cell injections would be common, it would be widespread, and it would probably be very expensive and come with a degree of risk. So what can we do to make stem cell science and stem cell medicine affordable and make it safe? So at first, I thought that it was going to require some type of machine to do this. Wow. And I began the research by analyzing DNA and the electromagnetic field that exists around DNA. And eventually, we ended up with over 70 patents. My team, I invented all of these things, but I want to give credit to my team because we have a fantastic group of engineers where they take my ideas and then we create computer models around them. We develop prototyping. We have a full and very robust 3D manufacturing center in our lab. We have a full machine shop for prototyping, and I work with phenomenal people. So we started to develop this tech, and we did our research over at the National University of Ireland in Galway. And I had made a presentation to Dr. Tim O'Brien, who's a very well-known medical doctor in the field of stem cell research. And he approved a study that was funded by Scientific Foundation Ireland. And what we showed in our first study is that you don't have to inject stem cells into the body. You can use energy to activate the stem cells that are already there. And so we went through many iterations of the tech. Some of it produced, Star Trek-like results in terms of the speed of healing. But it ultimately culminated in X39, which is, to me, the simplest, most cost-effective, and safest stem cell technology on the planet today. Anybody can use it, anybody can afford it, and it produces results that rival stem cell injections.